So in this video I'm going to review the Chefman portable mini fridge. I bought it a week ago from Amazon for $52 Canadian dollars. That would be around roughly 38 US dollar. And to be honest, for the price I paid, it's a great deal. And I mean, the build quality is decent. It is very nice. It's neat. It has that matte black finish, and the design is really clean and neat. I like it, and it's pretty small and portable. So basically, this fridge it warms up and it cools whatever you put inside, and it has two modes. So if I turn it to the back, you see, you have hot and cold. You can choose, and it comes actually with a cigarette lighter cable. You can plug it into your car and take it wherever you go. That's a great feature. If you go on a picnic or road trip or whatever, you can put your lunch, your soda cans inside, and it will keep them cold or warm. So you have a handle on top. You can carry it easily, and it's very lightweight. So if you open it, that's basically how it looks like from the inside. You have a little tray here. You can put chocolate bars or stuff like that, and you have that blue color interior, and it has a rack here. It's removable, so if you remove it, you have more space, and you can actually fit 6 cans of soda inside, as I'm demonstrating. It fits easily. You see. And what I've noticed about the temperature, if you have an already pre-chilled soda can from your fridge, if you put it inside, it will keep its temperature. But if you put a hot soda can, for example, it will cool it up, but to a certain point, not exactly like your regular kitchen fridge. So keep that in mind. But it will make it cold enough to enjoy it, and it's not disappointed at all. I tried it for a week, and it's pretty quiet. There's no noise whatsoever. It has fans from the inside, from the sides, and it's a great deal. For me, it's a great deal, especially for this cable. You know, being able to take it with you in the car, that's a great feature. So that's about it, and I totally recommend this fridge. Price wise and quality wise, it's great. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to push the like button and make sure to subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching.